Hey fam, how's everybody doing today? Good. Cause guys, I got a great lima bean recipe waiting to happen. Y'all better come on in this kitchen. So fam, today what we have is a budget meal. Now this is a definitely comfort food recipe. You can go to, you guys, and well, I don't know why I keep saying you guys, but fam, you can go and get this easy recipe. Now I'm cooking lima beans with ham hocks. Guys, look how big these ham hocks is. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash them off, and I'm gonna come right back to you. Okay fam, so I hope you got a good picture of this, right? So now what I'm going to do is add me 2 cups, right, of water in here. I'm going to pour it in slowly. 2 cups of water. Now I just need enough water to cover these ham hocks. Look how big they are, right? So now, never mind me wash. I kept my hands clean, okay, y'all? So don't come for me, okay? So now, we're going to add us some veggie broth, okay? We're going to add some veggie broth. Why? Because I got it, okay? But this is gluten-free and vegan, made veggie herbs, okay? So we're just going to add that in here because I want to get these ham hocks on so that they can boil to my liking. Okay, I don't know how much I put in there. Don't ask me because I don't know the measurements. Okay, but anyway, approximately a cup. So now these is our beans that we're gonna use. Yeah, these baby lima beans. We're gonna use these. And we're going to make us a delicious comfort food recipe, right? Because, hey, it's cold outside up in here in Michigan, Detroit area. Y'all, baby, when I tell you it feel like winter, it feel like winter. So I'm going to put me a little season on here just to give it a little, you know, how you say, zazz. You know what I'm saying? Okay. But nevertheless, the flavor gonna be good. So I got me some black pepper. Because we're using simple seasonings. Right? Got a little black pepper. And we got us some onion powder. Now, I don't like to use a lot of seasoning, that as you guys will find. But I promise you, if you make these meals, you're definitely going to enjoy it. So we're going to let this boil, right, for a couple of hours. We're going to let it boil for a couple of hours. Maybe 2, maybe. It all depends. Because this look like they are very tough. And if that's the case, I got to make them tender. I got to get them tender, y'all. So we can't rush this video. But typically, you know, the frozen beans don't take that long. It's your ham hocks, your meat, that's going to take it out, right? So we just going to go ahead and cover this with my lid. And we have our pot on medium because I got all day at this, okay? So come on back and we will get it together once we put these beans in. Okay, fam, we are back. Y'all, I got to whisper, okay? The grandbaby sleeps, okay? So anyway, so we got some Jiffy cornbread mix right here. Now I added 2 eggs, 2 boxes of corn, Jiffy. And I'm just going to put me some melted butter in there. And give it like a toss or twirl, okay? Just mix the butter up in there, right? I think I want a little more. Okay. Now, we're going to pour this over in this non-stick casserole dish, right? Just like this. And we're going to let this bake off. Nothing left unwanted. Just like that. Okay. We're going to let this bake off. And slide that in the oven. So fam, let's check on our ham hocks. You guys take a look at these ham hocks. Now they definitely is fall off the bone, right? So fam, did I say? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so fam, if you're a first time viewer, thank you. And if you're a rider with me, thank you as well. And if you just came to this channel, I want to move you slowly. If you just came to this channel, you guys, thank you so much for supporting me. So, if you're not part of the family, what you waiting on? I'm from the old school soul food cooking, okay? So, these are so fork tender, you guys can see. Now, I'm not going to strip mine off the bone because I'm going to let that meat fall off the bone, right? So, if you're familiar with it, let's go ahead and put our beans right over in the pot. Let's put our beans over in the pot. I love lima beans, whether they're white or they're green. I just love them. They just, it's a comfort food that you can depend on. So I got approximately 2 cups of water that I let it boil to. And we just gonna let this go ahead and boil. Cause baby, who else is a lima bean person? Or just love beans recipes, period. Because I do. And I got the grandbaby's hook. Now I would add onions in here, but I did the onion powder, right? Because the grandson, he loves his beans, but he's not gonna eat it with the onions up in there. So there you have it. So now we're gonna go ahead. They don't do it. Let me put this in here. This little butter left. Okay, we're gonna put that in there. Add more flavor. Because I don't want to waste it. Because I'm not going to spread it on my cornbread. Because this family is picky. You hear me? These kids is made from a different cloth. Okay? But anyway, enough of the kids. So we're going to let this cook. And then I'll show you the completion of my meal. On this cold, rainy day, you guys. So fam, we have come to the end. I took the first bone out. So I want to show you guys how this tender this is. Here go the second bone. Try not to pour no beans with it, right? So, and here go my third bone. I'm just taking it right on off while it's in the pot. But anywho, you guys, if you enjoyed this video and cooking with me, thumbs this up, subscribe to the channel, and yes, I will see you guys again, hopefully. So, yeah. Let's get this last bone out. Now, you don't have to add, what is it? Is it whipping cream? Because I noticed some people use that. You don't have to add all of that, right? And chop this meat up as you go. I got big chunks. But anywho, you guys see it. Take a look at the gravy. So yeah, that's the perfect lima bean soup. Perfect bean recipe. And yes, it's definitely comfort food on a cold night, winter night. You can even pull it off in the summer, okay? But you guys, it's getting cold outside and you need to stay warm. So don't forget to try this recipe. And let me know if you try it. You guys, let me know if you tried, fam. Because, baby, when I tell you perfect, get you some cornbread. Oh, let's go on and make us a bowl of it. Just like that. Uh-huh. We don't want too many. Because I'm a meat lover. How many of y'all are meat lovers? Just let me know. Check it out. There you go. Uh-huh. Perfect meal. The perfect meal, you guys. Look at that, the perfect meal. So, if you like this video, comment down below. Tell me how I did. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Because this completes my lima bean recipe for the cold days, y'all. So I'll see you guys later. Sending much love from my house to yours. Bye-bye.